Hey guys, welcome back to Almost Inevitable Design. My name is still PK and I make WordPress tutorials for web designers and developers. I'm not going to start over. I'm just going to go ahead. Anyway, so welcome to lesson 19. We're pretty much done. The only page that I actually didn't put together is the About Us page. But I don't think it really matters too much, does it? I mean, if you know how to put these together, then you would know how to put this together. Just same thing, different color, you know? Maybe this one, but, well, because remember how we did this? That thing? Yeah, where you had that half height background. Same thing, just different calculations. So yeah, height would be calc 100% minus 6 rem, and that would be it because that's 6 rem. Yep. So yeah, that's about it. So it's not that hard. Everything else I think should be fine. So we are going to use this lesson and the next lesson as a way of cleaning up mobile responsive. There are a couple of things that we probably need to do in terms of mobile responsiveness. So we'll do that, and it won't be too bad, I don't think. So let's see how we go. I am planning on finishing this up at lesson 20, not going over 20, hopefully. So we'll see how that goes. Anyways, I think that's about it. So, oh, by the way, yeah, I have just updated this to 1.0.3. Breakdance is in, where'd it go? 1.0.3. That is the latest version at the time of recording. So that's what I'm using at the moment. Oh yeah, uh, I I sent off the client website that I was building in Oxygen, and I'm waiting for feedback on that, and then I'll go into responsiveness. But anyways, I sent that one off, and I have another one. And I'm working on a Shopify site. Almost done with that as well. Oh my God, the cart has so many small divs and spans everywhere. It's just so annoying. But that is almost done as well. My next full project is a breakdance site. So it's actually a WooCommerce site, but the client, after a bit of a discussion, decided that, and like we had some discussions, and then they wanted to they wanted the ability to add more functions and layouts in the future and not use just a WooCommerce theme, because currently their site is on Elementor and it's really slow and everything is just all broken everywhere. And there's like 3 4 Elementor add-ons which I don't even know where they are and what they're doing. I might mention this again when I do the Elementor versus breakdance video. But anyways, so yeah, I'm cleaning that all out. I've cleaned up most of that out, and I'm gonna start. And I've started actually. I've loaded it. So started a new breakdance website. So hopefully that goes well. This is my that is my first production, actual client ready breakdance website, WooCommerce site. So we'll see how that goes. All right. So been talking for 4 minutes about stuff, but we are going to start the responsive stuff now. Boing. All right. First of all, I think we need to think about the header, right? Because the header is not fully, set up properly at the moment. All right. So let's look at the header. Now, I personally don't really care much for super mega menus. Okay, I personally actually just like very simple menu with maybe drop downs, but that's about it. I don't go too much into it, but some people seem to really like it. They care about that, so we'll just leave that. We'll see how that goes. Okay. All right, now to get into mobile responsive stuff, you can go over here and you'll see these sizes. Okay, I'm gonna go with phone portrait because that's all I care about at the moment. Oh no, wait, you know what? From portrait here, we actually need that menu to do whatever it's supposed to be doing. So let's see. Keep menu selected while styling. Yeah, I guess. Yeah. Mobile menu, show at tablet portrait. Should work, right? And let's see how we do this. There's a background. What happens to the background? I don't know. What happens to the background? Nothing happens to the background. Maybe I click on that. Oh, okay. That's what the background is. Okay. Let's not do that then. Oh, okay. That means that the lines and everything needs to be done. Oh boy. All right. Where do we go? Change the text and stuff. Oh, maybe it's in links. All right. Typography. Oh boy. Everything. Sure. Yep. Yep. Sure. Level 2. I don't know. There should be an easier way to do this, right? I'm sure. Right? We can use, I don't know. I don't know. I'll just do it. All right. There we are. Okay. Yep. So that's where it is. We'll just, be able to do that. How do I change the color of the thing? Nope, that's not what we're doing here. Those are elements. That's not what we want. I gotta find the color of the hamburger. Give me a second. Okay, so toggle. I guess that's it, right? So icon color probably. Yay! There we go. Nice. All right. Can we change it? Oh, we can change it. We can use custom icon. One. Oh, width. All right. Let's see. Width. 2. Spacing. Radius. Bar height. Yeah. Okay. Bar thickness. 2. Sure. Why not? Or we can add an icon. Okay. Yeah. All right. Oh, actual hamburger. Come on, man. Because those 3 lines, I don't think of them as a hamburger. They look more like a sandwich. So I call it a sandwich. Nobody gets it because everybody calls it a hamburger. So I'm going to use an actual hamburger. I like that. Okay. How do I place it in there? Okay. Don't stack. There we go. Never stack. Never ever stack. That's... oh, we have an off-canvas one. Ooh, I like that. Yes, I like that. Okay, that's nice. It's from the other side. Oh, yeah. Okay, from the right side. Okay. All right, I like that more. What happens with full screen? Oh, how do I close it? Uh-oh. How do I close it? Okay. I'm just gonna do that. Yeah. Off canvas width. Let's try 40. Yeah. That looks fine. I think that looks fine, right? Yeah. Okay, what happens in the drop-down menu? What can I do inside the menu? What's this? Can I open that? No. What is that? How do I edit that stuff? Oh, is it column? Oh, there it is. Okay. All right, well, this is the title. Oh, and you can open it again. You have to open it again. Okay, we're not using a title then. That's too many clicks. All right, we'll do that. That's fine. they can link somewhere, I guess, right? Yeah, okay. Link, link, and link, and link, and link, and link. Yeah, sure, why not? Okay, that's fine. I'm happy with that. Let's leave it as is. That's all good. Might as well link this to the homepage. Yeah. No, not there. No, I can't. I need to spell home. All right, there we go. That's so hard to spell. All right, done. So now everything that is smaller than z index is a problem here. Yep. Oh no, that's just it. Exit to WordPress. Okay. So anyways, that's the header. The header is done. Let's go look at some templates. All right. So main templates here would be the archive, single post, single product. Now that I've sort of done the mobile things, now I think iPad Portrait is a nice place to start with responsiveness, because that is where a lot of websites have their breakpoints. If you're going to use one breakpoint, just use iPad Portrait, because it works. It's the most useful breakpoint. So, and if you're going to be looking at it at a vertical portrait view, that's where it starts, right? So yeah. All right, let's start tablet portrait. We got their hamburger. Oh, I'm going to be using this so much. The hamburger. I love the hamburger. Okay. It is quite big. Everything does stack really well. I guess it's just only down to these guys. We have things that are at 4 width. Now you can change it down here when we're on portrait. Nope. Nope, not there. Sorry. Nope. Come on. No. Go back. All right. So yeah. 2. Yep. And then we'll go to phone portrait, make it single stacking, and there we go. And I think that's it. Yeah, see, it goes away, right? That icon goes away, and you're back to where you were. So that's it. Dunsies. Actually, a lot easier than I thought it would be. Post archive. Let's see what happens here. Portrait. Oh, okay. All right. That's a little scrunched up, isn't it? All right. Let's get it to 2 per row. Yep, that looks better. Much better. All right. And on the phone, let's make it only 1. So easy. Oh yeah, by the way, one thing that I think is really good practice and also is just useful design, a great design tip, I guess. And I design a lot of stuff with text left aligned, all right? Because, well, English is left to right. So I put everything on that left edge there. So most of my text is left aligned. I don't even remember when I've done a centered text, because I just really don't do that a lot. I left align 90% of my text because I just like it, right? I like having a straight left edge and a jagged right. And this is jagged. That's jagged, right? So see that there? See that? See this? See how that is not straight there? I don't even like justified, because I think that just creates ugly rivers. I wonder if this works. Justify. No, it doesn't even justify here. Yeah. But if you justify the text, sometimes what happens is everything stretches out, trying to touch the edge, each edge, and you get ugly river space, a big space gap here, and it just looks really bad. So I always like left aligned, jagged right. And that's just how I do things. Almost all of the sites that I designed have that, are like that. The text is like that. So anyways, the reason why I'm saying this is because that means you can give all the text elements a max width that is most likely, more than likely, larger or wider than phone, right? Like phone screen widths. So like let's say this, right? So this is half the container minus half the unit. So that's half the container is 30 minus half the unit, 3, so 27 rem width. That's max width, 27 rem. And then it'll be 100, but then even if it's 100, it won't go beyond 27 rem. So that's how you get that width of the text a certain size. But then that means you don't actually have to worry about any stacking or any sizing, because it is going to just come in, and on mobile it'll just do that. Okay, so like this. See, there's not anything that you need to do. You see, like now it's just 3 lines. That's the only difference from this, where it's 2 lines and the text is larger. You know, so yeah, something that I think really helps. And I'm not saying you have to always design like that. That's far from what I'm saying, because you can design any way you want. I'm just saying I like left aligned text, and it helps with legibility as well. And that's just my style, and it makes it easier. All right. So even if you're not doing that, even if you have center text, make sure you use max width and then have the text be 100%. So it just doesn't go beyond a certain size, and then it'll just scrunch in from the sides, and that's what it does. Okay. So there you go. Single post. Let's see how that goes. All right, let's see how it looks on portrait. Yeah, looks fine. And it's going to look like this on mobile. So there's nothing to do. All good. Let's exit to WordPress. And I've talked quite a bit before we started, so I'm going to finish here, and I will see you in lesson 20. Hopefully that is the last one. So I will see you there. All right. Bye.